Yes, students, here we are going to discuss energy stored in a capacitor. Now we have gone through the capacitor. We know there is a plate, means we are charging the plates, and what we are doing, we are basically transferring the charge from one plate to another plate, and we are transferring charge by a source, and that source may be a battery. If we are suppose if we are taking a capacitor like this, it is given a positive charge, say q dash, and it is given a minus q dash charge. We are also taking minus dq dash charge. Now the charge which is given to it, it is plus, and here it is minus charge over here. When a system is having charge, definitely there will be an electric potential. How we are getting the charge? It is clear to us now. We are connecting it with battery. Battery is transferring the charge. When it is transferring the charge, charge is being transferred from one plate to another plate also. And when it is transferred from one plate to another plate, there will be some work done, and that work done will be in the form of electrostatic potential energy. Means basically what we are having potential energy over here. We are having energy which is stored in the capacitor when we are giving charge to it, and that battery which is giving us the electric charge, which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so finally what we are getting the charge, and that charge will be stored, and it is giving us the energy. Okay, हमको एनर्जी दे रहा है. अब हमने यहाँ अज्यूम किया है इसको पॉजिटिव क्यू डैश कैपेसिटेंस दी चार्ज है, और इस पर माइनस क्यू डैश चार्ज है. A small amount of d cube charge is also there, means a small value is there. Then when we are giving charge to it, definitely electric potential is there. We can call it V dash Q dash upon C. This is the electric potential which we are getting. We call it as a plate A and plate B. Okay. Now when positive charge is there is definitely electric potential. There will be also electric field is also there. And if electric field is there, and if you want to bring some positive charge from this, say a small amount of charge, say d cube dash, positive charge which we want to bring from negative to positive. So we have to do work against this force, and that work done will be a very small if we are bringing a very small amount of charge, that is d cube dash. एक small amount of charge को हम carry करना है d cube dash को from this negative to positive, and it is a positive charge, so there will be a force, and we have to overcome this force. That will be in terms of the work done. So dW, the work done, will be given by V dash d cube dash. If we are talking about a small work done, then total work done will be given by this relation. Okay, so work done, total work done will be given by, now V dash, we know that V dash is equals to Q dash upon C d cube dash. Now if we want to charge it from zero, इसको हम जीरो से चार्ज कर रहे हैं, तो जीरो से इसको हम सपोज करो Q dash is equal to Q चार्ज तक ले जाना चाहते हैं. So the limit will be here from 0 to Q. Okay, now if we calculate it, what we are getting, it is Q square, Q dash square upon 2C 0 to Q. So here what we are getting, Q square upon 2C. Q square upon 2C. The work done. Work done is equal to what we are getting, Q dash Q square upon 2C. Now work done is what? Stored energy. So we can put U. Q square is equal to. So finally what we are getting the energy Q square upon 2C. This is the energy which we are getting. U is equals to Q square upon 2C. Now we are having Q is equal to, say, C into V. So we can have this relation in terms of u, capital U. Q instead of Q, what we can write? C square V square upon 2C, means it will become half CV square. This is the potential energy which we are getting in terms of this capacitance and electric potential. Okay, here we have got in terms of charge and capacitance, and similarly we know V is equal to Q upon C. C is equal to what we are having? Q upon C. So it will be, already we are having Q square upon 2C. We have got half CV square, means in C and V की term है. We are getting this. So energy stored in a capacitor will be given by this relation. U is equal to half CV square, or we can have U is equal to Q square upon 2C. So here the energy which is stored here, which is converted from a battery. Battery is having a chemical energy. Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and when electrical energy gives this plates charge, so charge which is stored here will be in the form of potential, electrostatic potential energy, and that relationship which will be given by this half CV square, U is equal to Q square upon 2C. Okay. Now see here, if we are having another relation here, we know is equal to Q is equal to CV also. If we substitute here, what we are going to have? Half CV square. Similarly, we can substitute it here. So another relationship which we are getting it here, C into V means Q, Q into V, Q, C is equal to, sorry, V, just a moment, Q is equal to C into V. We can substitute this CV in place of Q and V upon 2. This will give the potential energy, half QV by 2. Now here we have got the energy stored, but only one capacitance or one capacitor is not there. So we will be having capacitors which may be connected in series and which may be connected in parallel. So how many energy we will be storing, that we will see. Okay. So here we are already this relationship. We'll go with the first, with the series combination. Series combination. In series combination, we know that when suppose we are having two capacitors C1 and C2 which are connected in series, so their total capacitance will be given by what? 1 upon C, C1 plus C2. Here we are having this relation, half CV square. We can use this relation. So potential energy will be given by half, instead of this C, what we can write now? So we can calculate it here. 1 upon C, that is C1 C2, C1 plus C2, or C is equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. This relationship which we are having, we can substitute it here. So C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 into V square, which will give us the relationship of potential energy when they are connected in series. Okay. Now if we are having another combination, say it is a parallel combination. Parallel combination. In parallel combination, we are having C is equal to C1 plus C2. If we are connecting these two capacitors in parallel, we are having total capacitance that will be given by this. इस relation से दिया जाएगा C is equal to C1 plus C2. Again we can substitute in this relation R. So potential, the energy which we are storing in parallel combination of capacitor will be given by 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 into V square. This is the relationship which we are getting here. U is equal to 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 V square. So when we are connecting in series the capacitances, n number of capacitance you are going to connect, you will get the energy accordingly. If you are connecting n number of capacitances in parallel, you are getting the energy accordingly. We have used only two. यहाँ पे हमने दो कैपेसिटेंस को कनेक्ट किया. We have connected two capacitance only. Okay. So here what we are getting the term, the relationship of capacitance with electric potential and energy. Okay.